All right, so this problem, find the linear and quadratic factors. That means you better have them labeled once you finish your problem. This has a GCF. Before we even determine what the GCF is it going to be a positive number or a negative number? How do you know? That first sign in front right here is negative. This tells me my GCF symbol. So what is my GCF in this problem? A negative what? -2. Okay, y'all don't think big. Start small first and work your way up. So I'm going to take out a -2. What is -16a cubed divided by -2? What's going to be left? 8 what? 8a cubed. What is -54 divided by -2? Positive 27. So if I took out a -2, what type of problem is this now? A sum or a difference? A sum, okay? You could do it where you just took out a +2, but that changes what your A and B are. And I told y'all yesterday it's way harder that way, okay? So if you have a negative in front, even if it's a -1, take it out as your GCF. Everybody hear me say that, okay? We don't want a negative in front. It makes things a lot harder. So here we go. I need an A value. 3 things that multiply together to give me 8a cubed. What can I multiply 3 times to get 8a cubed? 2a, very good. 2a times 2a. And my b value, 3 things that multiply together to give me a positive 27. What can I multiply 3 times to give me 27? 3. Since this is a sum problem, I need the sum formula. And I hope you have them written down because they are not given to you on your test or your quiz. Everywhere I see the letter A, what am I putting there? 2A. Everywhere I see the letter B, what am I putting there? So I have a 2A plus 3. Here's the tricky part. A squared. A squared. A is 2A squared. Not my answer. What does it mean? What does 2A squared mean? 2A times 2A. Very good. Which would give me what? 4A squared. I'm telling you right now, you're going to lose points on your quiz if you don't know this. 4A squared. A times B. What is 2A times 3? Is a -6A. Very good. B squared. My B is 3. So what is 3 squared? Is 9. Why would this answer be wrong? My GCF has to go in the very front. And then really quick, let's label. You just told me this is my GCF. 2A plus 3, what kind of factor is that? A linear factor. 4A squared minus 6A plus 9, what kind of factor is that? A quadratic, very good. Okay, questions? So the difference in today's assignment, or what we did, is if it has a negative, remember that has to be in your GCF to make it the easiest way possible, okay? All right, here's what we're going to talk about, and I want you, listen to me, get out your phone right now, every person, get out your phone, take a picture, and put your phone away. Everybody right now, get out your phone, take a picture, and put it away. Get out your phone, take a picture, and then put your phone away. did you take a picture? Because there's a lot of information up here. Okay, yes, it's on Schoology, but I know y'all don't look at Schoology, you look at that darn phone. So share it all over Snapchat and the TikTok and whatever else you got on there. Okay, so today, here's what I need you to do. You are working on the pink stuff. That's it. If you choose to do what my other classes did, I will make this due at the end of class today. Don't do that. Okay? First thing to do is look at your asynchronous assignments. You submitted 2 of them. There should be feedback. The only people who got perfect answers are a 100. Even if you got a 95, that means you missed an entire problem, not just like one little thing, okay? So unless you have a 100, I need you to spend probably about 10 minutes looking at these asynchronous assignments and working out the ones that are incorrect. I guarantee, like I promise, all 8 of those problems are on your quiz Thursday. Promise. You are a fool if you are not looking at these asynchronous assignments. Are we on the same page? If you finish that, this topic 2 quizzes is located in the topic 2 folder. That is what I would do next. When that is finished, you may start your homework in class. If I'm walking around and you're on your homework, I'm going to tell you to show me that quizzes, that it's done. It has to be done before you can do your homework, okay? Now, on Thursday, you have homework due and you have a pinpoint. That means you will enter the arena this week. Everybody hear me say that. Step into the arena, okay? You have to have one number with 6 stars. It is either a 100 or a 0. So if you have a number with 5 stars, you get a 0. It has to have 6 stars and 1 number. Are we on the same page with that? Okay. This can be done after school today, tomorrow, or Thursday. But you have to get a pinpoint this week. Questions? We will talk about asynchronous tomorrow. Okay? So right now, everybody should be starting on, right here, asynchronous feedback. If you submitted it late, it has not been graded because you are now at my mercy.